Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, we had this big turn down on all the yen pairs. This big turn down was not a dollar move last Friday. This was definitely a yen move. Now, the thing is that the dollar still, to me, looks like it's pushing up. So, there is definitely still a chance that this does make its way up to the 78% Fibonacci retracement. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying yesterday, we need to be a little bit cautious, assuming that it needs to go down. This could just end up making an ABC correction and continuing the uptrend. Now, to me, it looks like it wants to make another move up, and if it does turn out to be, some sort of like an ABC or a WXY, then it would likely go to a Fibonacci level, maybe to 78%, and then make a big engulfing down. If you do see that big engulfing down at a Fib level after making like a three-way pattern, then you could definitely try to make a short. Then you would hopefully learn and earn at the same time whether it's a wave C, meaning that it would just go down to a percentage and just move up and then break back to the upside, or potentially whether it's a wave three, which would be very impulsive and just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. It definitely looks like that is the most likely scenario, but on the daily time frame, I also see the possibility of it just continuing up. That's why I don't really think I would take it as a short unless I see a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.